boys and girls, and welcome to Corn Guitar. DUKI QUEVEDO with a song called Don't Lie. Alright, so this one has a little bit of a cute picking pattern here. You can combine that with a strumming pattern as well. So let's dive into this one. We will use and look at the full fretboard here, really, and no need for any cape on this one. So let's go. Alright, so we have this picking pattern first. It's based upon mainly the E minor, the D, and the A. Alright, so we'll start at this position. So that is 9th fret on G string, then 7th on E, and 8th on B. You do that for 2 times, so. And then you have 2 options here. You can go either high up here as in the song, or if it's more available for you, down here, more guitar friendly. So first this D, and I don't have this cutaway when a part of this guitar body is the cutaway, so to speak. So I have to reach out really outside pretty much of my guitar and coming right into it like this. All right, so that is basically a D, 1 octave higher than usually. So that gives us 14th fret on G, 14th on the E, and 15th on the B. You do that once, or you can use the D up here in the standard position, and that will be 2nd on G, 2nd on E, and 3rd on B. So you can use either this or this, all right? And then the last picking pattern will be the A-based thing here. It sounds like this, 1 octave high. So that is 14th on the G, then 12 on E, and 14 on B. You can use that, or you can play a little bit easier up here. And that is 2nd on G, open E, and 2nd B. So you can choose from the D and A. This E minor will stick here on the G 9th fret to start with though. It's up to you. All right, so you can go either way. Now for strumming, you can play a simple strumming pattern that is based upon 4 downs. All right, so we're gonna go with the E minor, D, and A. So let's take a look at these chords. E minor first, it's open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The D is the same grip we used for the picking pattern. So that gives us open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the A is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So I said 4 downs is 1 round of strumming. So like this. I used to play, or I like to play, sorry, bass, bass, top, bass. With that I mean on the bass strings, the first 2 downs, then top string on the 3rd down, and the final down back to bass strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. That gives a little bit more variation in the playing there and in the sounding. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds for E minor, 1 for D, and 1 for A, and that will be the chord progression through the entire song almost. We'll come to that almost pretty soon, but like this. All right. And that almost I mentioned is that sometimes the D is replaced with a G. And the G chord is like this, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And you just put it in instead of the D, so that gives us E minor 2, now G1 and A1. Same strumming pattern gives us mostly it's with the D, so E minor 2, D1, and A1. And yeah, I need to practice more, I see that. But anyway, you got the tools here to handling DUKI and QUEVEDO's Don't Lie. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have a good day now, and take care. Until next time, play tuned.